Russell Smith, and I'm the Technology Facilitator for Pequot High School as well as Carpenter Elementary. And I'm back with another Tech Tidbit. This time I wanted to demonstrate this whiteboard application that allows you to share what's on your screen with others, and it's totally free. It's called Twiddla. It's www.twiddla.com, twiddla.com. Like I said, there is no cost, at least for the first 30 days. You can sign up for a free trial here. You can, on this page here, you can click here if you want to try out to see how you can use Twiddla in their, what they call their public sandbox, or you can go ahead and start a meeting. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And as it opens up the Twiddla display, you'll notice your unique Twiddla URL up here in the address bar. In that case, that's my room number that I can invite others with. By clicking this, by giving out the link to other people, so I can send that out to whatever, through email or through chat window or something like that. You'll notice here in my participant box that right now I'm listed as guest 3067, but you can change that by clicking the pencil, or you can actually just highlight and enter your name. So I'm just going to enter my name and click enter, and so now my actual name is in the participant box. You can invite others by clicking the invite button and entering their email address, then send out your invites, or you can just give out that URL in an email or a chat window. You can join audio if you would like by clicking here. That's with your 30-day free trial. You can edit your profile here if you plan to become a regular user of Twiddla. But it works pretty much the same as your typical whiteboard application. You have your whiteboard features such as drawing. You can choose your color on this swatch here. So if I want to draw a red line in the pencil, you can draw like that. Change the thickness of your line. You can erase if you wish by using the erase tool. You can click clear markup if you want to totally erase the canvas, everything you've drawn on it. You can insert shapes such as straight lines, or rectangles or squares. And of course, as I said before, you can change the color of the line by clicking the swatch. You can insert polygons with rounded corners, and you can also insert circles as well. I'm going to go ahead and click that and erase everything. My erase tool, I'm going to click clear all. You can also enter text by clicking text button here. You can choose your text type, whether you want this type, whatever you've drawn on the screen, such as if you want to draw a shape on the screen and you want to move it, click the select tool, and when you see the crosshair, that means that you can move that object around. And if you want to trash it, you can drag it to the top where you see the trash can and let go. Once again, if I draw a shape and I want to move it from one spot to another, I can move that with the select tool. I can insert an image by clicking on image. And I choose my file. I click on the image that I want to insert. And there's a picture of Miss Jenkins from Carpenter Elementary. on her trip during their trip to Washington. This is an image that I put out in an email. If we want to insert a document, I click on Document. I select my file, click my document, wait for it to transfer. Then I click on a document to insert it into my and then I can share it with whoever's in the Twiddla chat room with me. And when I want to clear it, I can clear the canvas just like that. I can also click on the application for Etherpad. Etherpad is a type of text document. So I can choose Browse Mode at the top. That activates my editing tool, which I can go in, and I can start typing. And as you can see, that you can format text as well. Making it bold, you can make it italicized, underscored, strike through. I don't think you can adjust the size of it. I think it has a standard default size. But this is so, and you can insert bullet points, undo your mistakes. You can redo something you've undone, that sort of thing. So you can use Etherpad as a text editing tool as well. You can also view a web page using Twiddla. So if you click on the web page icon at the top menu and you insert a URL here, I'm going to switch on over and copy this URL to the North Carolina DPI website. Copy that. Paste that into the address bar, and then it pulls up the North Carolina Department of Public Instruction website, or in your Twiddla page, which you can browse through. And you can also use the tools, the drawing tools, if you want to draw a circle around something or annotate something. If you put it in the wrong spot, you can move that circle from one spot of the screen to another. If you want to insert a text box, and then you could have others have comments as well. Now, what I haven't shown you is how other people can join the room. So as I said before, you can invite other people to join your Twiddla display by sending an invite here, or by giving out this URL. I'm going to copy this URL, switch on over to another browser to simulate another person. You can see where I've annotated the DPI website with the circles. You can also see my participation box up in the upper right corner. There's my name. This is, since I'm in a different browser, it registers me as a different guest. I'm going to go ahead and give myself a name. Call myself Carl. Press enter. So now Carl can make changes as well. So if I wanted to change my line width, change the color, and write a message. Or perhaps even insert a text box. I'll switch back over to my main screen, and you can see where whatever Carl has put in the page is also in my screen as well. And if I need to move that around, I can move it around the pieces. On the select menu, if you'll notice on the top, you can also see you can insert a grid. Right now where there is no grid being shown in the Twiddla page, but if I click a small grid, you can see that a grid's appeared. This is if you need to create a design and space it out evenly, or if you want to create a larger grid with larger cells, you can click there as well. So once again, that's a brief rundown of Twiddla.com, the public access all-purpose whiteboard space. My name is Russell Smith, and I'll be back soon with another tidbit. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.